Hi boys and girls, it's your old pal Uncle Al. Now let me find my notes. Okay, the bad guys are winning. This is a video called it. Excuse me. The bad guys are winning. First of all, hi, I'm Yummy. Hi everybody. Everybody, rainbow poo. Because Virginia just went blue. And last time Virginia went blue was 2 years before the Civil War. And that was 1858. The House and Senate was totally Democrat, and that's a bad sign. They want to keep slavery. They didn't want to compromise, and they hated the incoming president, which was Abraham Lincoln. See the similarities? I hope he doesn't get assassinated by a crazy Virginian. Now, a lot of people were asking me about global warming. Mankind has a part of it. So I tell people, look at Hubble's cat. And Hubble's cat will give out the socialist viewpoint, and so-called scientists, the 1100, saying, Earth is in danger, Wells Robinson. Okay. Truth of the matter is there's about 25,000 scientists, twice as much planetary scientists and other scientists saying these climate scientists are using facts and figures from CNN and NBC, and I think the Daily Mail. That's stupid science. Mathematics and real science. Now, yes, mankind is about number four bottom of the effects of the earth. First effect is the sun. You can't put out the sun. Like some Democrats want to do is put out the sun. Okay? Number two. Okay? We have a planetary tilt with magnetic pole problems. A lot of people don't understand it, and Hubble's cat doesn't understand weather very good because he's going to get anywhere from, 4 to 6 inches, or was it 4 to 6 feet of snow in the next couple of days. Okay, and it'll say it's CO2. Only problem in theory with that is all those trees that were burning right now was back in the 80s and 70s, protect the spotted owl, let the undergrowth grow, no seasonal burning or grazing or maintenance up there. Now we have wildfires taller than most skyscrapers. And I see people like, oh, let's plant this kind of pine. And I keep telling them, it's not a native species. It'll go up like a match. It's like eucalyptus in the valley and the delta. What do you think is going to happen? Everybody forgot the Oakland Hills, but nobody ever listens to crazy old Uncle Al. They listen to Hubble's cat. And why not? Isn't he one of the guys who believe in science? Take a look at California and tell me how wonderful science is doing to us. Okay, now, if you're in, I think, Cleveland, Ohio to Ontario, this is important. From today, the 6th, I think today's the 6th, yep, wear a mask. This is a cheapy mask. Okay, the reason why is not because of germs, not because of allergies, because the cold vapor. Okay, kids, this is an see that? Hope you see it. N95 mask. This is with the bands and everything. We're not doing for disease. We're not doing for allergens. We are protecting your lungs. Now, a lot of you guys are, I don't feel good. I feel sick. Going, ew. Well, you're breathing in cold gases into your lungs. Now, Will's going to get hit hard. He lives in Nebraska. He's wondering, I don't feel good. And they're going to give him MRI. Wear a mask, Will. It's like I look at people like, Uncle Al's crazy. Uncle Al's crazy in one sense. But he isn't. I don't fool around. Okay? Now, let's go over this really quick. Your future, my past. Puppets are everywhere. If you watch the Democratic Party, duh, there is now 185 million bad guys in the U.S. Don't play Rambo or Batman and the Boondocks. That drives me always nuts. Okay, you're going to go up against real forces, and you're going to learn really quick how hard that's going to feel. Go ask anybody in the Middle East or any third world country that's getting pounded by us. Okay, Detroit prepping, may God help you. Jordan Jacobberg, don't worry, the plane won't crash. Corsair trainer, Steve's being comfortable. He's in LA. GM Survivor. Okay, did a real good one on the Stone Stove. Really good, Calvin. Happy Prepper. He needs up to 250. He made a boo-boo on his live stream. Remember, folks, read the fine print. If you have somebody underage, you better find out if you have his permission or parents' permission. And if you're a kid yourself, you better have your parents' permission. And he got zapped and he got his first strike, so you have to be careful. Becky Stiles, we're going to do something for you in a few minutes. And also, I think somebody else, I have it written down here. We have Hoople's Cat. Go check out his Thursday fun. He's eating cats now. I don't know why. Or check out his climate change prepping channel. And we have Years Gone By. Check her out. Uncle An does a lot of things, and Uncle An's kind of tired. So we got to do this quick. Don't forget all these folks right here. Okay. And we got Kirk and friends right here. And before I go to the next one, all right, let me double check. I worked too hard. I definitely worked too hard. Oops. Yeah, we did pass it. No, there we go. Okay, check out Just in Time Prepping. Those are the hours, Kevin, and anybody else who wants to know his hours. Okay, and then Monday and Friday and Thursday, check your local time and information. And he's pretty good about the prepping and also networking. You got to do it right. And a lot of you guys, I see in your home pages, they stink. Okay, let's see. Be sure to check out AKFAP. Yeah, it took me 2 days to knit that scarf. It should be there Friday. Again, let's see, where's the mask? Wear a mask. You're going to find out in about a week. Okay. And please check out her channel. She's having a fun time. This is what happens to the working poor. Please check out her channel. Okay. Cheryl Hirsch, DUI Fun. Now I'll tell our friend right here, okay, Red Dawn, non-NPC, not whatever. Okay, here's a tip. If you're doing housework, go up a step. Put in with Zipline or LinkedIn or someplace at a library. I hope you got a library in Sonora. You fill in the form. Elko, Nevada is looking for housekeeping for retirement homes. They pay well. You're in a nice area. Get out of California. Okay? Easy as pie. But nobody ever listens to Uncle Al. Now, Cheryl has a sore throat again. Check out Cheryl's channel. Please help them out by reaching the supporters gold right here and here. Okay, and send them cash, gear, and stuff. Cheryl, you have to wear the mask from the 6th through the 8th. A lot of people don't listen to old Uncle Al. When the bad weather comes, you're going to get sick. And you know what Hubble's Cat's going to say? It's CO2 in the atmosphere. Ugh. Now, we won't think about that. That gives me a headache. Okay. we're going to go back onto the money thing. We'll explain this. There's Palmetto Premier. There's Anthony. There's Tyler. Let's talk about prepping. We're going to talk about futurism. Your next boss will be Chinese robot looking at you, saying his boss, the Russian one, saying you got to get fired. And we have Cheryl Hirsch again, David Lynn, prepared. I can't pronounce these guys too often, but these guys, and then Reed's channel, Manifestation of Imagination, and I forgot who the heck is that. DOI Solar, he's busy. Urban Grandpa Prepper, and Budget Bushcraft. Okay, what the hell was I doing? Okay, if you can, try to help out these folks. Chasing Life, she has 39 supporters. Help her out, check out her channel. SD Mountain Man, I think it's South Dakota Mountain Man, SD, yeah, SD Mountain Man 45, please check out his channel. Underground, please check out his channel. We're going to bring this up in just 1 second. Something important that I wrote down. Okay. And don't forget West Wind Survival. Because I'm kind of an old-time operator. I could still use guns, but I like a quick blade of a knife. And most people lose a kidney and most of their intestines. But a lot of people like, I know tactical combat. Fine. I know how to kill people. Right now, Virginia and parts of Kentucky are turning blue. The Democrats won. That means one thing. Pretty soon we're going to have a civil war or economic failure. So those people who turn Virginia blue, it's your fault. Okay, the Underground was asking me a question. If you hoard food, that's not stockpiling. That's hoarding food. Okay? This is a list that I wrote down that I explained to people a lot. Okay, over the summer in the last 2 years. About a year and a half. Or 2 years pretty soon. Okay? You want 200. Let me get the pointer out. You want 250 pounds of canned food. Okay, that's in cans. 250 for you, one person. You want 750 of dry goods in pounds. Okay? Now, dry goods is a whole different animal, and if you can't figure out the between the two, we have to have a long talk. Okay? And then 300 pounds of bulk food staples. That's 300 pounds. And then you have 365 gallons of water. That's for one person for 1 year. I pound this into people's head and they still don't understand it. If you're stockpiling incorrectly, you'll have boxes of food all over the basement, nothing in shelves, nothing in bins or boxes or buckets, labeled and figured out. See this? Write it down. Okay, because I'm getting tired. November right here is baking supplies. Now, Anthony was talking about it, and I have written down my notes. Let's see. Baking powder, vinegar, baking soda, and yeast. And don't forget cream of tartar. I will explain those baking staples. But a lot of people looking, cream of tartar, vinegar, Uncle Al, duh. Because Uncle Al's been doing this for a longer time than most of you kids out there. And yes, this is going to be a long one. Okay. Now let's see. Kentucky has a Democratic governor. Great. More slavery. I tell everybody, including our friend, the Underground, get a notebook. I think that was it for that stuff. Okay. And then be sure on your stuff, you want to start slow. You start with a 3-day supply. That's breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Then a 7-day supply, 14-day supply, 1 month supply, 3 month supply, 6 month supply, and then you figure it out. 12 gallons is 3 days for 4 people. That's water. Excuse me. Okay. Now, a lot of you guys don't understand this, and I will do another video on it. Okay, this is not a go bag. This is not a bug out bag. This is the last ditch on vacation. You screwed up everything. Okay, and you should have one of these bags with your bug out bag, with your go bag. It's a repeat, but a lot of people don't understand it. Okay, for vacation use, it should contain 1 day's ration. Well, it's 1 day's of function. Excuse me. We have a small bag. You can't tell. It could be a messenger bag. It could be a backpack. It could be a knapsack. It could be a pillowcase. All right? Change of clothes. That's your daily wear with a toque. That's a knitted hat. And a light jacket. You want a waterproof map of your area. 2 emergency bars. Okay? A bag of chews and hard candies. Now, Steve likes butterscotch, so do I. It's a military thing. You want 1 bag of meals ready to eat. That's a complete meal. Okay? And then you want a water bottle with cup. Extra batteries, that would be AA and AAA. You'll find out later. You want a good tourniquet, not a knockoff, a good tourniquet. You want a good pair of medical shears. You want an extra cell phone, a basic type that talk and text, a burner type that will take either AA or AAA, rechargeable or non-rechargeable. Okay? You want a pressure bandage, a tampon, that's 1 pad. And don't give me the tubes. I had to slap some people silly when they showed me that. Okay? You want an ace bandage with 2 safety pins. Okay? You have a pressure bandage, you have a tampon pad, you have an ace bandage, and safety pins. And a lot of people screwed up on that. Okay. You have a steel cock key, 4-in-1. You have a AA LED flashlight, a strong one, but takes AA batteries, and a headlamp that takes AAA. Still, people don't get that part. And also a handheld GPS that takes AA. Okay? You want a multi-tool. You want 2 credit cards with $10,000 each limit. Burner type. You want cash in small bills, 1K. You want 1 17-round spare magazine and a $1.10. Okay? This is the last ditch. You screwed up everything. Okay, see that? We're going to go over this again. This is for Becky, for Becky Styles, The Underground. Everybody else, because a lot of people never watch Uncle Alan's videos, and this one's going to be running long. I'm sorry about this, kids. It's going to run about 10 minutes. So that's for the lesson today. It's going to be a 20-minute video. I'm very sorry about this. Hi, Uncle Al. Yeah, thank you, Uni. Don't forget, Liverwurst. People still don't understand. Okay, bye, kids.